Hi guys, I just got Prototype. I've been playing it actually for a long time now, like hours upon hours, and yeah, if you read that, you can't plug in your Xbox controller. This is the computer version. Just gonna continue from where I left off, because I wouldn't want to like restart, and loading screens will be cut out. I think I have to restart the mission or something. Or I have no idea. I think I do. Or I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I'm gonna upgrade, so... Oh, dude, the map's in front of me! Or S vessel. What about the mission? I just go around showing you guys like how the game is. Duh, there's the missing. How people said this is like Spider-Man, Web Shadows, and Hulk Ultimate Destruction. Well, I would say it is, but they perfected it.
Where are they landing?
Because this is really good.
Manhattan, but the carrier, the USS Reagan, is supposed to remain off the southern coast. I wonder where those trucks are heading.
Wherever they're going, I'll bet McMullen is there. He did this to me, and I'm gonna find out why.
And then?
And I'm gonna make sure he never does it to anyone else. Ever again.
Ball sacks.
Shit. This is a fortress. Someone here knows McMullen, and they'll tell me everything they know.
Who my disguise was. Disguise is this guy. But you can't really see it, but those little green blinking thing over there, that can detect me, like, because I'm infected. They'll know I'm a fake. But I'll just fly over there. But I can be seen because not every Marine can fly.
What the hell, man?
He's like, what the hell? I wish I could do that shit. They don't even care. They're like, oh, I can do that too. Take it off steroids.
Possible sighting up ahead. Day, Gerhide, appointment.
He's in charge. He's the one I want.
I did some of this mission. That's why it's gonna make me redo it. I'm probably gonna get detected. So, yep. So let's do this the hard way. Hard way, I mean easy. Come here. This feels good. It's like hitting me and shit.
We know Zeus has been spotted multiple times in this game.
You can't see cutscenes. I'll spoil the story for you. Plus, I already know this. Whoa, I didn't want to climb the wall. If you heard that, this microphone's perfect, but plus, I'm gonna have to complain or some shit. New neighbor upstairs fucking been making a lot of noise lately. see what else I can show you. Ooh, claws. Fucking love this claws. Oh, you son of a bitch. Well, I didn't even give me the health. I'm never gonna die. This will be the first time I ever died in this game if I do. Come here. No, come here. Yeah, fuck you. Whoever's driving. Yo, what the fuck? Why ain't he dying? There we go. La 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 la. Is it a beautiful day to be driving? Yes, direct hit. You send him another straight team? Fuck. No, him. No, not him. And you don't die when they explode.